how to buy official Elon coin token. So this token came under the symbol of Elon. Now before this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the MEXC account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created by 1 day ago, so it's increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 9%. That's good. That's made your investment in the safe place. So this token, it's trending number 3 right now on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address came under this Solana network. Open your fund to wallet for that. Click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here, paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So now you'll be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issues in your buy process, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom because the most issues came from the slippage. Now, after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Elon token. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.